All right, so we are just about to start some school, and our cat will not leave Robbie alone. He's like right with you the whole time. You got your robots? Let's see. All right, time for math. All right, you guys, so homeschool mamas, or just any moms, Brain Quest workbooks. This is 2nd grade. I absolutely love these because they're not like a sole source of curriculum, but they're a great little like filler just throughout the day. Yes, we see your robot. It's a great filler throughout the day and fun stuff. So I picked up this one today, and we're just gonna like jump off and do some fun, quick math facts, right? Let's time you. Let's time you. All right, let's do it. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday morning, and yeah, we have some attitudes in the house this morning. Tell me if your kids do this to you. It's like your busiest day of the week. Piano, play dates, everything, grocery store. I have to mail something at the post office, almost at market, and they choose to act up today, fighting over who's gonna sit by who, what CD we're gonna listen to in the car, just everything. And I know, and I keep telling myself someday, do you hear that? The goal is to make these brothers love each other and be lifelong friends, because I didn't have siblings. I'm an only child. I don't know what it's like to have a brother or a sister that's like this amazing person and my best friend. And it's like a goal for Rich and I to make our kids become best friends, because at the end of the day, all you have is family. And I want our kids to be so close. But there's fighting. I'm not gonna lie. There's complaining. Here we go. Godspeed. So first up, you guys, I have to tell you about these little CDs right here. This is called Music Together, and they are amazing. Honestly, if you have young children, grandchildren, anybody that you know that has kids, oh my gosh, Music Together. And we had these for Robbie when he was really little, and this one is called Stick Songs Collection. We did, baby. And it is developed by the Center for Music and Young Children, and they just, I feel like they help a lot with speech, they help a lot with language patterns, and they help just make your kids overall like musically well-rounded. So if you haven't checked those out, they do have classes. They do have classes that you can go take. I actually bought these off of a friend, but they're amazing and you guys will love them. You can buy them online, I think. So Music Together, check them out. That's what we're listening to in the car today. Music Together, Stick Songs. Who's ready to do this day? Did you? Hey, seriously though, on a serious note, who woke up and thanks God today for another day?
Me.
Did you thank God for waking us up today and letting us breathe and our heart beat? Yeah? All right. Piano, Fish Taco Tuesday, and possible Mary Poppins today.
I'm gonna hit the service button.
All right, here we go. You guys, it must be almost February, because are these camellias? Is that what they're called? My camellias are blooming. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's like, seriously, they always happen around Valentine's Day, and I get so excited. And this year is like the first year they've really bloomed a lot, you guys. I mean, in a long time. I think all the rain. So, speaking of flowers, I bought this wildflower blend bird and butterfly, and it's just like seeds. Let me fix that. Seeds that you throw, and I'm gonna kind of throw them and see. We're supposed to have a big rainstorm in the next couple days, and I'm gonna see if we get any wildflowers just kind of along our little pathway in the spring. So I'm gonna try them today and see. I don't know if they'll work. It was $1, so I know it says $2.99, but it was $1 at the Dollar Tree. So we'll see what happens, and it'll be something fun to keep our eye on in the spring. Alright, you guys, what are we off to go see? Mary Poppins. Joey's a little upset that we're not seeing Lightning McQueen, and we've tried to explain to him it's not in theaters right now, but he's gonna like Mary Poppins anyway. Right, babe?
Top of the morning. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have anything funny to say right now.
He's just being normal. Just Rich. That's Richard. All right, we're excited about it. And you guys, our theater does $5 Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, $5 each person, no matter your age, $5 Tuesday. So that's pretty exciting, I think. Robbie has his little ball for piano. Tell everybody what that's for.
The strengthen my finger muscles.
Finger muscle strengthening. Let me see. Also known as a stress ball. eat a lot of this. I like it.
I like it too.
It's a cool like little brand. I don't know. It's called.
It's all it is a balloon with like fine
some
sand
sort of
in it.
fine sand in it. Things we pay money for these days.
You just repeated what I said.
All right, we just got home. We took the kids to see Mary Poppins. Not a big hit with our kids. I don't know if it's because they expected it to be more like cartoony Disney, but they're all in the bath right now, and I'm crying because Rich came up and Rich was like, what did you say?
I said, because all three of them are in the bath, and I said, it's not going to be long that we're going to have this anymore. That
Three of them in the bath.
Go
like
over
that,
there and
cute.
gulp it in, because
And it's
really
been a hard,
soon that's going to be it. They're not going to do this anymore.
and it's been a hard week, just like discipline-wise with them.
Yes, it has been.
Exhausting. We get angry, they get
Right.
angry, and it's just been like, just one of those things where you hear their little giggles right now, and
And
you're
you
just
got to
like,
remember, like,
remember what
this
it's all
is the
for.
joy. Like, right here, we can't be so wrapped up into the hardship that we miss out on the
life, so.
truly, like, beautiful moments. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's true. All right, you guys. Well, we love you. Thank you for watching. I know today's vlog was just kind of a little bit of what we did. I don't know if you guys like that or not. I'm going to have some Ray Dunn stuff coming to you guys at the end of the week. Well, not even the end of the week. It's already Wednesday. Oh my gosh, by the time you guys see this, it'll be Wednesday. So I guess Thursday, maybe I'll have some Ray Dunn stuff coming to you guys. So that's it. We love you guys. Keep on going. Peace. See you manana. Bye.